Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your camera app supports QR scanning or enable the QR option in settings. Hold steady. You want even lighting so the code contrasts against its background. Once done, position the camera roughly 6 to 12 inches from the code and wait for autofocus to register. You will see an on-screen indicator or frame. Tap to lock focus if necessary. This quick setup saves time and prevents false reads when you proceed to scan. You now align the QR code in the center of the frame and keep the camera perpendicular to the surface to reduce distortion. Hold steady for 1 to 3 seconds while the app decodes. Minor movements can interrupt the process, so stabilize your hands or rest the device. Once a preview or notification appears, read the content before tapping any link. If the QR launches an action like opening a URL or adding Wi-Fi credentials, you control whether to proceed. This prevents accidental actions. You finish by confirming the prompted action. Tap to open the URL, save contact info, or connect to Wi-Fi and check app permissions if the action is blocked. If the scan fails, clean the lens, increase contrast by changing angle or lighting, or enable the camera flashlight. These simple fixes often resolve recognition issues. As a fallback, use a dedicated QR scanning app for damaged or dynamic codes. If problems persist, restart the camera app and try again to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.